Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This one-owner 2014 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 17,598 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multi-function 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a chrome rear bumper. The TRIGLIDE is a stylish factory trike that delivers electric glide comfort and power on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the TRIGLIDE puts 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,180 pounds and has a 27.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.